So, can you record a mini jack microphone through an XLR port? Yes, you can. Will there be a difference in quality? A little bit, yes, there will be. Do you want to know all the details? Then head to the full video on my other channel, links in the corner cards and in the description below. Otherwise, just listen to the test and decide for yourself about the quality. Okay? Enjoy! I'm recording now to Rode VideoMic connected to Zoom H5, but this time to the jack in the front capsule that comes with the with Zoom H5. Volume is set to 6, the one set with the knob. So I'm speaking now to Rode VideoMic connected to Zoom H5 via Movo jack to XLR interface, testing it now. I think it will be very good, equally good as through Behringer, or maybe even better, we'll see. And now a bit of a silence, please. So I'm speaking now to Rode VideoMic around a foot away from me. It's connected to my Behringer UMC interface via mini jack to XLR adapter Movo. Let's listen to the silence of it. So now I'm speaking again to Rode VideoMic connected to Behringer UMC interface via Movo jack to XLR adapter, and this time I'm using ASIO for all drivers instead of original Behringer UMC drivers. So silence now. So again, recording through this cheap USB interface, Sphex or something. This is now Rode VideoMic, just to see if there are any there is any noise, because there was from the second port. This is the mono port, so hopefully it's fine. Now I'm recording to Rode SmartLav under my neck, connected to Zoom H5, the front capsule. The original front capsule that came with the with Zoom H5. I think I'm quite happy with the quality, so for a moment let's listen to a bit of silence. Okay, so this is Rode SmartLav connected to Movo jack to XLR interface, or actually adapter, plugged into Zoom H5, recording normal kind of speech as I normally do. I think I'm quite pleased with it, so let's listen to the silence. So I'm recording now to Rode SmartLav on my neck through Behringer UMC audio interface, through mini jack to XLR Movo adapter. Sounds good, I think, so let's listen to a bit of silence. And another test of Rode SmartLav, this time connected again to Behringer UMC via a jack to XLR adapter Movo. However, this time I'm using ASIO for all drivers instead of original ASIO UMC by Behringer drivers. So I'm recording now through a cheap USB interface, and I've got here the Rode SmartLav, and here I've got Rode VideoMic. How are they doing? Now I'm recording to Boya lav mic on my neck, connected to Zoom H5 to the capsule, the mini jack in the capsule module. The sound should be quite alright, although not great. I'm recording again to Boya mic. This time I changed the battery. It seems to be much better actually. Okay, well done to me for changing the battery. So let's compare now the results. Actually, maybe it's not very bad at all. Let's check it out. I connected it to my I connected it also, no, I connected them also to my desktop Behringer USB audio interface.